Snapdragon 855, a full-screen AMOLED display, a triple camera setup, 4000 mAh battery, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, a headphone jack, only for 23,000 rupees. Hey, what's up? Sudeep here. And this is the Redmi K20 Pro, the flagship killer of 2019. And when this phone was launched, it was a great phone for the price, which was 28,000 rupees. But now, after over a year, it's available for only 23,000 rupees or even less with bank offers. And at this price, it has a lot of competition like the OnePlus Nord and Samsung Galaxy M51. So the question is, should you buy this phone right now at 23,000 rupees? Let's find out. So the number one reason why this phone is still a champion is the processor inside. Snapdragon 855, it's last year flagship processor, so it gives you flagship performance. So if you are a gamer and play a lot of games like PUBG, COD, Free Fire, then K20 Pro is an excellent choice. Because of Snapdragon 855, for daily tasks, it's pretty good. But here is the thing. Despite having Snapdragon 855, the UI is not very smooth because of poor MIUI optimization. And this phone was launched with Android 9 and got the Android 10, so you can expect only one more Android update. But K20 Pro is extremely popular in custom ROM development community, so there are a lot of custom ROM available for this device. So if you are into that and you know how to flash custom ROMs, then it's a killer deal. And the second reason why this phone is still worth buying is the display. K20 Pro comes with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display and without any punch hole or notch, because it has a pop-up camera with this cool LED. Some people don't like the pop-up camera, so it's a personal preference. And when it comes to the actual quality of the display, I would say it's not the best out there, but it's good.
I know why we're here. A rescue op. Save the dinosaurs from an island that's about to explode.
The only downside here is the 60Hz refresh rate. OnePlus Nord comes with a 90Hz refresh rate, but it's okay for most of the people. And then the cameras. On the back side, there are 3 cameras, and all 3 cameras are useful. No useless 2 megapixel depth or macro sensor. 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 main shooter, 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom with laser autofocus. And when it comes to the actual images it takes, as you can see, it's pretty good. And night mode is also good with Gcam. Selfie camera is decent, not the best out there. And talking about the video quality, the quality of the video is pretty good, but stabilization is not very good, as you can see, especially at 60 FPS. So the last reason is the price. At 23,000 rupees, you are getting 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. On the other hand, Nord has only 64 GB of storage at 25,000 rupees. And if you want the 8 GB 128 GB variant of Nord, that costs 28,000 rupees, and that's a massive 5,000 rupees gap. By the way, don't buy the 8GB RAM variant of K20 Pro because that's selling 30,000 rupees, and at that price it's not value for money. Samsung Galaxy M51 is selling for 25,000 rupees, but K20 Pro has clearly a better hardware. But in terms of software, MIUI is not good at all. So now the question is, should you buy a better hardware or a better software? I'll leave it.